Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how you can get started with affiliate marketing. If you've never done it before, this is how you can get started for 100% free. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button, also hit that notification bell, so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how you can get started with affiliate marketing for 100% free. So if you don't know, affiliate marketing is, when you get a product, well, you don't actually get the product, you find a product that you like or whatever, that you probably use or something like that, and you recommend it to somebody else. So that can be with a link. They'll give you a link. The company that actually owns the product, they'll give you a link so that they know that the people that clicked on your link got sent over from you. So that way they will give you a portion of the amount of money that they actually make. That can vary quite a bit, whether it's depending on the product, what it actually is. So that really depends on the company. But the basics of it is you are going to get paid for recommending a product. So how do you actually get started with you've never did this in your life? You really want to get started, you want to start making some money online quite fast, and you're wondering how to actually do that. So the very first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to find a product that's lying around your house. It doesn't matter what it is, but the higher the price is, the better. And if you only have cheap products, that's okay, you can still do that. But if you find something expensive like a fridge, a computer, a video camera, something along these lines, that's going to be a lot better because you're going to get a higher commission most likely. So you find that product, and once you found it, you are going to think about why you actually have it, because the chances are if you have it, then you wanted it in the first place. So you bought it, there's a good chance that you actually wanted it. So think about why it's so good, what are the benefits of the product, why do you have it in your house, all these things that really could interest somebody in buying it. So once you've found that, you pick up a camera, and by the way, a camera can be your phone, it doesn't matter, you don't have to get all fancy or anything like that. You pick up a camera and you start recording whatever that product is and talking about the points that you just wrote down or thought about, because you don't actually have to write them down. And you show them why it's good, show them what it does, show them all these different things, and then you now have a video. So a video is very basic video, just reviewing the product. Basically that's all you do. So you don't have to buy a product because you already have it. You do a review video on it about why it's so good, and the chances are it is good because you actually bought it in the first place, and now you have a video. So what do you do next? The next thing that you want to do is you want to find somebody that actually is selling it, a company that is selling it. So chances are, if you're reviewing something physical, because it could also be a software, but we'll stay into physical products for that. So if it's physical, chances are Amazon is selling it. Now Amazon, as I've said in previous videos, they don't give you the best commissions in the world. However, if it's something expensive, there's a good chance that the commissions will still be quite good. And if you're just starting out, You just want to get the ball, the ball rolling, so it's not that big of a deal anyway. If you can find another company that does it and that's working really, like giving you better commissions, then great, go with that company. So I haven't talked about how you actually sign up to an affiliate program. So if it's on Amazon, for example, you're going to type in on Google Amazon Associates, or you could find a brand, that you want to promote something, and you type that brand in Google and space affiliate program, and chances are you will end up on an affiliate page, and that's very normal because almost every company that's online, any reputable company, has an affiliate program, because that's a great way for them to generate way more sales than if they didn't have to buy it, because they're not spending all their money on ads, because they're only paying you if you make a sale. So there's every single reason in the world for them to actually do that, because if they're running ads, they're not necessarily making their money back. But if they're doing it through an affiliate program, yes, they give a cut away, but still they are making money. So that's the reason why affiliate marketing is so big in general, because all the brands understand that it's very, very helpful. So you filmed your video, then you're actually signing up to an affiliate program, which chances are it's free, especially if it's physical products. If it's a software, you might have to sign up to that software, or if it's a course, it's the same thing. But for physical products, most of the time, it's 100% free to sign up, like 99.9% of the time. So you do that, you sign up to Amazon or something else, you get the link, because it's going to be very easy. There's a button that says get link, and I should have recorded my screen on that one to show you, but it's very simple. Amazon will guide you through the entire process. So now that you've got the link, you're going to upload your video to YouTube, because YouTube is the best video platform that exists. And you're not going to get hundreds of thousands of sales, but if you do a review, or if maybe you're going to find a better title, or why that product is so good, and the chances are, if people are looking for a review of that product, they find your video, that might be their last jump to actually get to buy that product, because they're already thinking about it, because they're looking at review products. So you'll get a higher percentage of people that are actually watching the video and then buying from you. So that's why you have to do the video the best way possible and explain why it's so good, because at the end people are actually going to buy it. So you put the link in the description, and now you are actually making some money. So this is not a guarantee. I'm not guaranteeing that every single time you're going to put out a video you're going to make some money, but this is the way to do it. So let's get right back to the beginning. First, find a product around your house. That's the very first thing. Find something, preferably expensive. If it's not, that's okay. Second step is you actually film a review video. Third step, you sign up to an affiliate program, which most of them are 100% free, so don't worry about that too much. All you have to do is just sign up, put in your name, email, and all these kind of general things that you would have to do anyway online. Then the next thing is you actually put it on YouTube. Now try and put out a good thumbnail. Look at the ones that are working really well. Chances are you won't get as many views as those videos, because those videos, typically these people have a lot of subscribers, but that is, still inspire yourself with these thumbnails. Try to replicate something with that, because it's very easy. You don't have to be a graphic designer. You could use Canva just like I do for my thumbnails. I might not be making the best thumbnails in the world, but most people that are doing YouTube videos, do use Canva. So that's okay. Canva.com, 100% free as well. So this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.